Tasty and healthy vegetarian salad with red kidney beans and mushrooms combination. This salad is best suitable for people who are in diet to lose weight. This protein-rich salad is very simple to prepare. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special red kidney beans salad with mushrooms. Take 300 grams of red kidney beans and wash them thoroughly. After washing, pour enough water and soak them overnight. After soaking for overnight, drain the water. Drop the beans into a pressure cooker or a cooking bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of rock salt or sea salt. Pour water 1 centimeter above the beans and cook it till the beans become softer. If you are using pressure cooker, let the cooker give 6-7 whistles in medium flame. Our beans cooked well. Drain the water and drop the cooked beans in a mixing bowl and rest it for cool down. Now we'll prepare mushrooms. Take 500 grams of fresh mushrooms. Clean well and cut vertically. Try to make each mushrooms into 3 pieces minimum. After cutting, drop them in a frying pan. Add salt to taste. Now without adding water and oil, fry them. Mushrooms will lose out a lot of water. When half of the water evaporates, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and mix. For the recipe, please check the link in description below. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, mix and fry till all the water evaporates. You can cover with the lid so that cooking will be faster. Look, all the water evaporates from the mushrooms. Now take them out and let it cool down. Now take 200 grams of fresh corn. Add water to cover the corn and 1 teaspoon of salt. Boil till it softens. Take 1 small size yellow capsicum and cut and remove the seeds. Slice it into long thin pieces. After yellow capsicum, take 1 small size green capsicum, cut and remove the seeds. Slice it into long thin pieces as well. After cutting capsicum, take 1 small bunch of coriander and chop it finely. Take 1 small sized tomato and cut it into long thin pieces. Take 1 medium-sized lemon and slice it into half. Now take the red kidney beans. Into this, drop the boiled corn fried mushrooms, sliced capsicum and tomato, chopped coriander, 30 ml of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of white sesame seeds, pink salt or regular salt to taste, and half lemon juice. Now mix all the ingredients well. That's it, our tasty, healthy diet salad is ready.